Stones tell a story. They withstand the passage of time, endure challenges, and shape our cities. At Guard Industry, we take care of them by offering absolute protection. Our patents and expertise in designing and manufacturing solutions to rejuvenate stone, concrete, and brick make Guard Industry the most innovative company in our field. For over 30 years, from private homes to historical monuments, Guard Industry has been the finishing touch to rejuvenate and protect floors and buildings. We prioritise green chemistry that is even more effective and competitive than traditional molecules. Our products can be applied to all materials, from modern concrete to the 1,000-year-old stones of iconic buildings. They are tested and trusted worldwide. Our teams support homeowners, contractors, and industry professionals in meeting their challenges. Our solutions erase the marks of time and make surfaces beautiful for long. Guard Industry, durably enhancing the beauty of houses and buildings.